hurt since Monkey hit me so hard. Let's go down here. It's me, Raccoon. I just scared him. I didn't know he can hit me. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm here, but where's Raccoon? I hit him over here. That is weird. Let's teleport back again. Hey! He's sleeping. Oh, what's this little thing? Cha! It really hurts. Oh no, I'm small. What happened to me? Maybe this thing gave me powers. But I have to know how to transform back into big size. Oh no, Raccoon is sleeping. Look who we have here. Ouch! He scraped me. Ow! Ow, you hurt me. Take this. I defeated him. I defeated him real good, but he's right behind me, right? 4 hours later. I'll soon take control of everything.